In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform sign with Hubspot. This is a great way to streamline your data collection and management processes by connecting your Jotform sign forms with your Hubspot account. Now let's dive into the integration process. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Hubspot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot address, or simply click on the link if you've got it handy. Once the page has loaded, you should see the Hubspot homepage, which provides a multitude of business tools and software options. Next, you'll need to access your Hubspot account. To do this, find the login button on the homepage. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your login credentials, which will allow you access to your HubSpot dashboard, the central hub for managing your business operations. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home, which will likely be a familiar interface if you've used HubSpot before. From this dashboard, look for the marketplace icon. This is crucial for locating and adding new applications to your HubSpot environment. Click on the marketplace icon. This will direct you to a section where you can browse and manage apps. Once inside the marketplace, click on the apps section. This is where you'll find and integrate various third-party applications with your HubSpot account, including Jotform. In the search bar of the apps section, type in Jotform. Be sure to spell it correctly so you can quickly find the application. After typing, the search results should quickly populate, showing the Jotform app among the options available. Once you see Jotform in the list, click on it to access more details and installation options. You'll be taken to the Jotform app page within the HubSpot marketplace. Here, you can read more about its features, past user reviews, and any other relevant information before deciding to integrate. Now that you're ready to proceed, locate the option to install the app. Finally, click on the Install App button. This action will commence the integration process, linking your HubSpot account with Jotform sign. Follow any additional prompts or confirmations to ensure the installation goes through smoothly. And there you have it, you've just completed the integration of Jotform sign with HubSpot. This setup will enable you to collect and automatically manage data from your forms, all within the HubSpot ecosystem, enhancing your workflow efficiency and data organization. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your tools and apps. Happy integrating!